As mentioned in the prepping the double top 4-tier video, there are two different methods of doing the double top 4-tier pyramid. The method that you're going to see here for this demonstration is the up and over method that involves a 3rd tier crossover.
Both of the center second tiers will start off on skis and they'll do a simple 3-step climb. As soon as they begin to climb, the other second tiers and 3rd tier girls are already moving.
Okay, at this point you will notice the center 3rd tier climbing up as the 4th tiers are also climbing to the 3rd tier.
Gentlemen on the base tier, notice that everybody here is braced together. You can brace either into the center to one guy or in one direction. Just make sure everybody does this the same.
This is a very critical point in the climb because the 4th tiers are doing a walkover on the 3rd tier. This should be done with extreme care.
Now the outside second and 3rd tiers have completed their final walkovers and are now climbing into position.
From here, it's one last 3-step climb for both the 4th tiers before the entire pyramid can lock out.
Both the 4th tier girls at the same time are releasing their feet off the center girl, and their inside foot is coming to the outside shoulder of the 2nd tier beneath them.
Much like the way up, this is a critical point of the climb. You'll notice the 3rd tier being elevated down with the 4th tier's foot still on her shoulder. The 3rd tier corner girls have now become a 2nd tier in the pyramid, and she's responsible for elevating down the 4th tier.
The remaining tiers climb down, crab walk out, and climb down onto skis.
In a double top 4-tier, 2 guys or bases must double up and bring in 2 of the top tiers. Shown here, you see a 3rd tier and a 4th tier coming down together on a single guy, and one of the girls must piggyback in to ride in back to shore. Let's watch the double top 4-tier being done at full speed.